Hi there, you're watching Fish Finally, where we aim to bring you up to date on the latest and best in the world of fishing. From essentials like fish finders, fishing rods and reels, to accessories like fishing gloves or backpacks, we have something for everyone. We test them in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For a fishing enthusiast looking for helpful buying guides, nothing could be better than Fish Finally.
If you're in the market for a new dive computer, this video is for you. No matter what kind of dive computers you need, our video guide on the 9 best dive computers got you covered. Keep watching, and you can look forward to a hassle-free fishing trip in the near future.
Next up on our list is something you should really give a shot. It has really attractive features and great value for the money.
Number 9. Aqualung Dive Computer. The Aqualung Dive Computer is an intuitive, stylish dive computer with Bluetooth communication and wireless air integration. With the stylish and instinctive design, the watch-style Aqualung Dive Computer is packed with features that will keep you connected and on all your dive explorations. The dive computer is complete with hoseless air integration for operating modes, and the ability to switch between 3 nitrox mixes and 3 transmitters. It will be a compact mission control on your wrist. You use your smartphone, tablet, or laptop with the diver log and app to wirelessly interact with your dive computer via the latest Bluetooth smart technology. The Aqualung Dive Computer has audible alarms and additional high-visibility LED warning lights for increased safety. Single-button access to the last dive display. It has a user-selectable deep stop with a countdown timer in history mode that records the last 24 dives. Number 8. Suunto Dive Computer. The Suunto is an air-integrated console-mounted dive computer. It combines versatile features with a user-friendly design and navigation capabilities. This Suunto Dive Computer simplifies your diving experience because of all the information you need relating to depth, time, tank pressure, and decompression status. The dive computer is available on one easy-to-read screen. It has a 3-button operation that makes the Suunto a snap to use. It comes with a 492-foot maximum depth display and 262-foot operational depth display. It also has a 12 or 24-hour clock format. Even if you're wearing thick dive gloves, it is air and nitrox compatible. It offers you every opportunity to make the most of your time underwater. The Suunto displays your tank pressure and remaining air time. The Suunto graphs each dive profile and has a dive simulator, which offers you to run through your dive without getting your feet wet. Number 7. Scubapro Dive Computer. This Scubapro Dive Computer features a brilliant, colorful screen with color indicators. It quickly draws your attention to what you need to know. The Scubapro leverages color as a tool to deliver the best readability and usability available. It chooses 4 different color options. The dive computer comes with the intuitive 3-button control that operates a snap. With the Scubapro, you can transmit your air pressure from up to 9 tanks. And the transmitter blinks green, yellow, or red to indicate your air level. It manages Bluetooth compatibility easily. It easily syncs with your PC, Mac, Android, or iPhone. The dive computer stores up to 1,000 hours of dive profiles. And its rechargeable battery lasts up to 50 dives. The Scubapro has the same incredibly intuitive menu structure and diver-friendly functions. Its reputation for being the hands-down easiest computer to use. The 4 dive screen templates allow you to see as little or as much. With the industry's leading digital compass, you'll always know where you are headed.
Up next, we have a great mid-range model that would give you a satisfactory result all around.
Number 6. Garmin Descent Dive Computer. Whether you dive with or without tanks in saltwater or freshwater, breathing nitrox, trimix, or holding your breath, this Garmin Descent Dive Computer is the intuitive, do-it-all dive computer you've been waiting for. It's the first watch-sized dive computer to offer surface GPS navigation with full-color on-screen mapping and location reference, so you can easily mark your dive entry and exit points. This Garmin Descent dive computer features a sleek watch-style design. It comes with a bright 1.2 inches color display and topo mapping. Its built-in sensors include a 3-axis compass, gyroscope, and barometric altimeter, as well as GPS and GLONASS capability. That lets you mark your dive entry and exit points for surface navigation. It supports single gas, multi-gas, gauge, and apnea diving. It includes nitrox and trimix. The dive log lets you store and review data from up to 200 dives. It shares online via Garmin Connect. It also included a mobile app. The dive computer features Elevate wrist heart rate technology with multi-sport activity profiles, performance metrics, and smart notifications. Moreover, it is so sleek, comfortable, and elegantly crafted, you'll want to wear it as your everyday timepiece. Number 5. Oceanic Wrist Dive Computer. Oceanic has been manufacturing quality scuba gear since 1972, and the Oceanic Wrist Dive Computer is among the company's latest dive computers. The Oceanic connects directly to your phone and other smart devices through Bluetooth. You can choose your custom color so that you can dive into style. The Oceanic Wrist Dive Computer is an upgrade from some of Oceanic's older models. It has a larger text display that makes it easy for you to check it underwater. It has a dual algorithm and 5 optional color straps. You can easily connect the watch to your smart device through the DiverLog Plus app to plan your dive properly for a safe journey. It is free from the bends and keeps track of your dive data after you're done. The Bluetooth compatibility saves you the expense and time of getting a transfer cable. It manually moves your data from your dive watch to your desktop. Number 4. SHEARWATER Dive Computer. Do you need the best dive computer for your ordinary use? Try not to stress. Here is the best dive computer sitting tight for you. The SHEARWATER Dive Computer is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. The SHEARWATER Dive Computer has the same features as the Teric AI plus many more. It comes in an incredible watch style. The SHEARWATER Teric comes with a full-color, high-resolution AMOLED display. It has multiple dive modes including a new freediving mode. It is very intuitive to use. The dive computer features optional wireless air integration up to 2 tanks. It includes switchable audible and vibration motor alerts. It also has a 316 stainless bezel and buttons. It includes Bluetooth and wireless charging. This is one of the most unique and functional diving computers you have ever seen. Number 3. Aqua Lung Dive Computer. Are you searching for the best dive computer for your ordinary trout use? Try not to stress. Here is the best dive computer sitting tight for you. This Aqua Lung Dive Computer is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. This dive computer makes certain to carry a grin to your face. The Aqua Lung Dive Computer's uncomplicated, intuitive, and rugged design lets you focus on your dive, not your gear. It has 4 operating modes that are air, nitrox, gauge, and free dive. It also has a user-changeable battery and data retention. The dive computer comes with an easy-to-use interface, flexible operating modes, built-in backlight, and water-activated switch. It gets you in the water and descending to your next adventure in no time. It comes with the latest Bluetooth smart technology using your mobile device with the free DiverLog and app. This durable, versatile, and affordable dive computer is great for new divers as well as dive schools and centers. Users will appreciate the data retention feature that saves past settings and calculations between battery changes.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. Cressi Scuba Dive Computer. Do you need the best dive computer for your convenience? No pressure. This Cressi Scuba Dive Computer is the best answer to your concern. The Cressi is a standout amongst other dive computers on the lookout. The dive computer is developed and manufactured in Italy by Cressi, a brand pioneer in scuba diving, snorkeling and swimming equipment since 1946. This Cressi Scuba Dive computer comes with 3 dive programs that are air, nitrox, and gauge. Full processing of dive data. The dive computer comes with a backlit display. It features a logbook, visual and auditory alarms. It also has a built-in calendar and clock. The 3 buttons dive computer provides all the necessary information in regards to depth, dive times, the possible need for decompression, ascent rate, and all the surface intervals between dives.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. Mares Puck Pro Wrist Dive Computer. This Mares Puck Pro Wrist Dive computer is one of the best budget computers on the market, and sturdy enough to last for years to come. This computer offers 3 basic operating modes, easy to navigate menus, and an oversized display. It makes a great choice for new divers. The Mares Puck Pro Wrist Dive computer is constructed of durable material. It has 1-button functionality that simplifies operation. It comes with a large display and a sleek design that makes referencing your gauge easier than ever. The upgradable firmware and multi-gas capability keep this gauge relevant no matter how much time has passed. This dive computer also allows you to adjust your driving limits by choosing a more conservative profile for added safety. This model's rugged rubber and plastic exterior can stand up to the abuse of daily diving and use in challenging conditions. Plus, it will make an excellent backup computer someday when you enhance your skills. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you did. Subscribe for more amazing videos on the best fishing supplies.